back to my channel. This is Billionaire, and of course I'm back with another great video for you today. If you are new to my channel and you enjoy doing self-care from the comfort of your own home, and you also are on a journey to becoming your best self, you've definitely come to the right place. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on new videos. So today I'm going to be doing a revitalizing hand treatment from the comfort of my own home. I wash my hands a lot throughout the day, especially with everything going around, all these germs and everything. So I just like to make sure that my hands are always super clean, but in turn they become pretty dry. So I'm going to make sure today that I really just take the time to give my hands a little special care. I gathered all these different materials, super easy to get from Ulta, and a couple of things from Target that I've already used before. So the first mask that I got is this Thirsty Hands mask, and it's by Nails Inc. I got this from Target, and it is recommended by allure.com, so I had to try it out, of course. And it is a super hydrating hand mask, and it's formulated with plant extracts. It has shea butter and vitamin E in it, and it's formulated to smooth and rejuvenate hands like instantly. So very excited to try that out. Another hand mask that I got is the Sally Hansen's hydrating hand mask, and this hand mask is infused with vitamins and nut butters for severely dry hands. Again, like I said before on my previous video, if you watched it, I personally don't have severely dry or cracked damaged skin. However, I really do like to use these products just to prevent having that. If it works on severely dry or cracked damaged skin, it has to work on my not severely dry, cracked damaged skin. So I think the products would just work, you know, just about the same, if not better, on my hands. So don't let the language on the directions fool you. Another thing I got is this Soap and Glory hand food. It is a hydrating hand cream. And this hand cream has shea butter, macadamia oil, and marshmallow. And you apply it as often as you want to soften. That was the directions on here. So it does make your hands super soft. This is the Sally Hansen's Cuticle Massage Cream. And it's an intensive treatment that moisturizes and conditions with apricot oil. And you're just supposed to massage a small amount into your cuticles, and it's supposed to help with rough, dry, damaged skin and hangnails. So before I get started, I'm going to be soaking my hands for about 10 to 20 minutes. I mean, you can really do it as long as you want, but personally, I'm gonna do it for about 10 to 20 minutes. It's a eucalyptus, spearmint, and menthol bath soak. And it's just to relieve any aches and pains, any muscle aches and pains. And I really just like the smell of it, so I was gonna do a little aromatherapy with that as well. So I'm gonna sprinkle that into this big bowl that I have on the side after I put some water into it when I'm ready to soak. This is Vitabath. I got this from Ulta. I use this all the time. It's the Lavender Chamomile scent. It smells really amazing. It's more of a bubble bath, but I'm going to use it in my little hand spa along with the aromatherapy salts. And this bubble bath is paraben free. It's like completely natural, and it's enriched with a lot of different vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin B3, vitamin C, and vitamin E. And it also has lavender extract in it. It smells so good. It's so good for aromatherapy. I love using it in my bath, so I decided to also use it in my little hand spa. And then this is almost gone. I've had it forever. I've also used it in a couple of my other different videos, so if you have watched those, you've definitely seen this before. It is the Dr. Teal's Pink Himalayan Sea Salt Scrub. Again, it's to restore and replenish, help exfoliate. It has pure Epsom salt and Himalayan salt, as well as essential oils. So it's really good, it smells really good, and it does wonders for exfoliation. So those are all of the products that I will be using, and of course I will make sure that I drop all of that down into the description box so that you can follow along through the step-by-step revitalizing hand treatment. Stay tuned.
So to get started, I put some warm water in a bowl, and then I used my Vitabath and my eucalyptus bath soak, sprinkled that in there, and then just soaked my hands for about 15-20 minutes. Then with my hands still wet, I used my Dr. Teal's Pink Himalayan Salt Scrub and exfoliated my hands with that. I just massaged it all over my hands, concentrating on my palms and in between my fingers where I knew my hands get a little bit more dry. After drying my hands off, I applied my Sally Hansen's Hydrating Hand Mask. These are little gloves, so just put those onto both of my hands. And it has little tape on the sides that you can like close it and make them tighter so that they don't fall off. You have to move your hands and stuff like that. And I also like to massage the product that's inside. I just massage it down into my hands because sometimes it gets stuck at the fingertips. So I just wanted to make sure that the products got all over my hands. So I just kind of like massaged it down into the gloves. So I just sat with my feet up, relaxed for about 15 or more minutes with these on. So after removing the gloves, I just massaged in the excess products that was still on my hands. I just massaged it all in. So this next product focuses on softening the cuticles, and it is the Sally Hansen's Cuticle Massage Cream, and I just use a small amount of that and massage it into each of my cuticles. With this product, a small amount goes a long way. You really don't need to use much. So like I said, just massage that into each finger. And Sally Hansen is such a household name for like nail products, and I knew I could trust these nail products and they would give me wonderful results. So the next hand mask I'm using is the Thirsty Hands hand mask by Nails Inc. And these are these cute little gloves with leaves on them. They're super cute. Just apply them to both hands, and again they have the little tape on the side to make them tighter. So this one you just sit with about 15 to 20 minutes. So after removing these masks, you're going to massage in the excess again. And then I'm using the Soap and Glory Hand Food Hydrating Hand Cream. And I just use a small amount of that again. A little bit goes a long way with this product as well. And just massage that all into my hands. And here we go. We are all finished with this revitalizing hand treatment. My hands look and feel so soft.
So just like that, we are finished with our revitalizing hand treatment. My hands feel really soft, very moisturized. I'm definitely glad that I used those products. Gave me some time to sit down and relax and just not use my hands for a little while. So that was super nice. They even just look more moisturized from the beginning of the video till now. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and doing some self-care with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial of how to do a revitalizing hand treatment from the comfort of your own home. And if you found it effective for you and you use the same products as me, or even if you use different products, make sure that you guys leave me some comments down below so that I know how this was effective for you. And also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on doing more self-care with me. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching and don't forget to take care of yourselves. I'll see you next time.